This footage was captured at 4:30 a.m. on April 29, 2023. It happens in El Paso, Texas. The video shows a young woman running up to the front door of a house and ringing the doorbell. Although nobody else can be seen in the frame, terrified, she looked over her shoulder multiple times as if she was being followed. The woman begs for help and starts crying when nobody answered the door. And a few seconds later, a car's headlights come into view in the background. As soon as she sees the light, the woman crouches down behind a column, and she does the same thing again. When she sees the neighbors drive away, lights turn on her. After a few minutes of waiting, a car's headlight illuminate. The drive away and the woman walks down the steps toward it. It's possible that she got in the car, but this wasn't caught on the Ring camera. It's unclear if she was ever seen in the neighborhood again.